Hello everyone. Today we will learn regular expressions in automata theory. All kinds of automata accept a different language. The finite automata accepts a regular language. This language can be described using regular expressions. A regular expression is a sequence of symbols used to match the character combinations in strings. The symbols used to build a regular expression are star, plus and parenthesis. Star and plus can be used as a superscript to a character, means that character can repeat. X star indicates that X can repeat 0 or more times. Similarly, X plus indicates that X can repeat 1 or more times. Parenthesis gives the evaluation order of a regular expression. For example, if we have a set of strings like epsilon, 1a, 2a, 3a, here a is repeating 0 or more times. Hence, this set of strings can be denoted by a regular expression a star. Similarly, the set is starting with 1a, 2a, 3a and more without epsilon. Hence, this set can be denoted by a regular expression a plus. In the next example, parenthesis indicates that first the a plus b should be considered, then a star should be considered. On regular expressions, three operations can be performed: union, concatenation and closure. The union of two regular languages will also be a regular language, means the resultant language will have strings that can be found either in L or M. The concatenation or intersection of two languages L and M will also be a regular language. The resultant language will have strings that are formed by combining the strings taken first from L then from M. Next is clean closure on L, written as L star, indicates that the strings in language L can repeat 0 or more times. Formally, a regular expression can be defined as the symbol epsilon denoting an empty string is also a regular expression describing a language containing only empty string. The symbol psi is also a regular expression describing a language containing no strings, not even an empty string. The character X is also a regular expression describing a language containing only the character X. If we have two regular expressions X and Y denoting the languages L of X and L of Y, then the union of two expressions X and Y will also be a regular expression describing the language having strings from X and Y. Similarly, the concatenation of two regular expressions is also a regular expression describing the language containing strings formed from the strings of X then from Y. Clean closure of regular expression R is also a regular expression containing strings of L of R repeated 0 or more times. If we apply all these rules several times, then the expressions obtained are regular expressions. Some of the examples of regular expressions are the regular expression 0 plus 10 star describes a language consisting of strings either 0 or 10 star. If 0 is repeated 0 times, we get 1. If 0 repeated 1 time, we get 1 0. If repeated 2 times, we get 1 0 0. and likewise. The regular expression 0 star 1 0 star describes a language consisting of strings containing a single 1 preceded and followed by 0 or more number of zeros. The regular expression 0 plus epsilon concatenated with 1 plus epsilon describes a language containing strings either 0 or epsilon from first part and either 1 or epsilon from second part. The combination strings we get is 0, epsilon, 1 and 0 1. Similarly, a plus b whole star denotes a set of strings of a's and b's of any length including null. Similarly, a plus b whole star ABB denotes a set of strings of a's and b's ending with the string ABB. So here you can observe all the strings are ending with the string ABB. 1 1 whole star denotes set consisting of even number of ones including empty string because of star. AA star BB star B gives set of strings consisting of even number of A's followed by odd number of B's. Lastly, AA plus AB plus BA plus BB whole star gives strings of A's and B's of even length can be obtained by concatenating any combination of strings AA, AB, BA and BB including null. In the next video, we will learn to solve problems on regular expressions. Thank you.